of you. Let's start with today's session. Now today we are going to start with third chapter, that is turtle graphics. Okay. Okay, the third chapter, turtle graphics. Now this turtle graphics library or that package, or you can say module, is inbuilt provided, means it comes along with your Python installation. You don't have to install it separately. The standard Python installation already comes with this turtle graphics. Okay, and this concept of turtle graphics is being derived from one very old programming language called as logo programming. Logo programming is still taught in schools. In 4th and 5th standard they teach this logo programming. Okay, so the concept of turtle graphics is derived from that logo programming, in which there is one object, that is turtle. Okay, a turtle is an object, and you have a canvas, and on that canvas this turtle is crawling. Crawling means it is just moving here and there. Okay, so we'll assume that there is a canvas, right? Whiteboard, you can say it's a white and on that one turtle is there. Okay, any turtle object, and to that turtle tail one pen is attached. A pen is attached to the tail of that turtle, and we are commanding that turtle. We are commanding means we are giving instruction to the turtle, and according to the instruction the turtle is crawling on this white paper. But as the turtle is crawling, it is making the mark on the paper because of this pen which is attached to its tail. Getting? So you can say that this turtle is moving on this whole paper according to our instruction. We say that forward 100, then in whichever direction its face is, the face is in which direction, in that direction it will move forward by that many pixel, as much you have said. Means you have said forward 100, so it will go in forward. Then we say like rotate by 90 degree, right or left, so it will just move its face in that direction according to the angle which you have given. So you have given right 50, so in the right direction 50 degree it will move its face, or left 180, so it will move in left direction 80, it will move its face. Again we say move ahead. So accordingly, as you are instructing, the turtle is moving on this paper, and as it is moving on the paper, this pen which is attached to the turtle tail is producing the mark, and that marks what are produced, they are generating some patterns. So it will produce and give you different graphical patterns. Okay, then how to create this turtle, how to create this canvas, everything I'll tell you, and then all these things are present in which library, that too I'll tell you. Okay? So coming to turtle graphics, that is using turtle. As I said, imagine a turtle. Turtle means what? I hope you know. Tortoise and turtle, a small version of it. Okay? So turtle, imagine a turtle. Then I said this turtle is crawling on a huge sheet of paper. Assume there is a big canvas, and on that canvas it is moving. This turtle is just crawling is word many times used with kids, those who are not able to walk, right? So crawling over a huge sheet of paper, and then to that turtle tail one pen is attached, pen filled with ink. So with the pen tied to its tail. And then what we are doing is we are giving command to the turtle. Means I am telling to the turtle, go ahead 50, move right by 90, again go ahead 50, again move left 120 degree. So as I am telling the turtle, I am giving the commands to the turtle. According to the command, the turtle is crawling on the sheet. But as it is moving on the sheet, the pen is producing the marks. Getting? A best example marks like when you go to beach, to any beach you go and you walk on that beach. So if you just turn back and see, so the marks of your footprints, the footprints are produced, right? So on that whole beach you are walking, and then if you see backside, so if you just turn back and see, so all the marks of your footprints are generated. So same way, as this turtle is moving, the pen is producing mark on that U sheet. Okay, see, just I am telling you to imagine in this way. So this is that turtle, and you are sitting on it, and to this turtle tail a pen is attached, and you are commanding it. Example like you are saying, forward 20 step, now turn right by 40, okay, now go back by 40, then again turn right 90 degree. So according to this instruction, as the turtle is moving, the marks are produced, and whatever the marks, if you see, it can look a beautiful graphics. Okay. So the concept, basic idea, I hope you might have got it. Now coming to this concept is not that big, like not that huge concept. So we will just see what are the different ways of producing these patterns and few examples we have to see. Okay. So not a big discussion this chapter. Okay. Many interesting chapters are in the store, like when we'll come to data analytics chapter and all, they are very huge and too practical. This is just one concept of turtle graphics I want to tell you. Now if you want to use this turtle graphics, so you need to import one module called turtle. Okay? So just import turtle. And this turtle graphics you don't have to install separately, as I said, it comes along with your Python installation, inbuilt it is. Okay? So Python's turtle graphics system displays a small cursor known as a turtle, which I showed, like when you are using this turtle graphics system, so in your window exactly at the center one turtle will be seen. Okay? And now you are going to command that turtle. Okay? A small picture of a turtle, getting this way only, okay, and this side nose will be there, then some legs and a tail, like, correct, very small image will be there, and then you will command it. Now this images you can change. Sometimes by default it shows a triangle as a turtle, circle as a turtle you want. So images you can modify in place of that turtle. Okay. So Python's turtle graphics system will display that small cursor at the center. Now this is the normal picture. I mean, normal by default the turtle is like an arrow, you can see. But if you want a proper turtle picture, so you can change it. How to change turtle image? For that also there is a function we are going to learn, don't worry. Okay? Now you want this window and the turtle inside it, and now we want to give commands to it. So for that, obviously first you have to import that library. So you can use Python statements to move the turtle around the screen. And as we are commanding this turtle to move around the screen, it will go on producing the marks, and that marks produce beautiful graphics. Clear? So you can give command to the turtle, and as we are giving command, it is producing what? Lines and shapes. Okay? Now if you want to use this turtle graphics, you have to import module turtle. So to use turtle graphics system, import it. When we say import, is that module loaded into memory, and once it comes in that built-in scope, it comes in built-in scope. I hope you know it, local, enclosing, global, and that super global, that is called built-in. So once it comes in built-in scope, all scripts can use it. Get it? So to use this turtle graphics system, you have to import this turtle module. So the first statement in your program should be import turtle. Okay? I hope you are understanding. So this loads the turtle module into memory. Now once this is done, then step by step. First thing, how to create this window. That I'll tell you. Then after that, how to create this turtle. That I'll tell you. And then I'll tell you how to give command to the turtle to go ahead, to go back, or change your mouth, that is the face direction, by some angle in right side or left side. This will be the left side and this will be the right side. Imagine that you are standing facing this side. You are there and you are facing east side. So your right hand is this side and left hand is that side. Isn't it? So you can tell the turtle to rotate yourself in the right direction. So it will change its face direction accordingly. Or go by this much angle in the left direction. And then again go forward or come backward. So you can command it. Okay? Then you can change the pen color, you can change the fill color, many things. Then that pen thickness, everything you can do. For some time being, you can make the pen up. Means we can tell the tail that lift your tail up. So if that turtle tail is up, so the pen is not touching the paper, and pen is not touching the paper, it's not producing any mark. For some time being, you can tell to take the tail up. Again, keep your tail down. So as it makes the tail down, it will again start producing the mark. So all that provisions are there. One by one we will discuss. Don't worry. Okay? So first concept, I hope you got it. We need to import this turtle module. Okay? I'll just create one Python file. Turtle1 I'll give, and import turtle. You can print and see this module location. I've told you many times, when you print the name of the module only, so it will give you the path where that .py file, because every modules are ultimately Python files only. They are also .py file. They are just distributed to others for reuse. Isn't it? So, see, can you see this? I told you this turtle module, when you are importing that module, so every module is a Python file only. Only the thing is, in that Python file, whatever implementations are done, they are distributed to others. So others are just using that in their program. See, you can see the path where this turtle module is present. Okay, so it's present in my Python installation. I have installed Python. It gets automatically installed in this program files there only. Okay, so you got it. First thing is clear. Now, next step I have to tell you about. Once the module is done, now we have to create the screen first. Okay, inside which the turtle will be there, and then the turtle will be given command. Accordingly, the turtle will crawl inside that window. Okay? So now, how to create it? So for that, there is one class called screen, and that screen class is present in this turtle library or in this turtle module. So you just create an object of class screen. Okay? And after creating object, you can set its title, you can even change the dimension of the window, everything you can do. Okay, so what we have to do, as I said, first step is create object of turtle.screen. Okay, just create an object of class screen. So once you create an object of screen class, okay, now it is just going. Why? Because again, main loop concept is applicable here also. Turtle.main loop, right? Okay. So that it will wait for user interaction. The screen will come, but then user has to interact it. At least click on the cross sign. So this window should remain on the screen. So we have to enter into an event loop. The same which we did it in tkinter. Remember, no? Tkinter main loop. Exact same. Ultimately, it is internally based on it. See here. Can you see this? This window is created. Okay. Now by default, turtle is not visible. So first we have to create that turtle. Okay. So to create a turtle, here you can set its dimension. You can set its title also. See, and write like my first turtle window. Okay. If you run this to that window, is it giving title my first turtle window? Now in my system it comes full screen, but I'm sure in your system it will come as a normal window, and then you can change its size. How to change the size, that I'll tell you. Now the next question is to create a turtle. So to create a turtle, there is again a turtle class in this turtle library. Clear? See, turtle. Everything is an object. I hope you can imagine now how everything is object oriented concept. And as everything is object oriented concept, but obvious everything will have its own class. So that turtle is also object of class turtle. Okay. See, can you see exactly at the center is this turtle visible? I created one turtle. Okay, T equal to turtle.turtle. So I created an object of class turtle. And by default, the turtle is visible at the center. Okay, by default, the turtle is always visible at the center because their coordinate system is like our world coordinate. Normally, computer coordinate system starts from here. No? This is the left top corner is its origin, 0, 0. And as we move down, y increase. And as we move right, x increase. Isn't it? That is the normal computer coordinate system. But our real world coordinate system is made up of 4 quadrants. No? This way. Yes or no? Now basic mathematics you have knowledge about it. Clear? So 11th, 12th you have learned some conic section. Yes or no? In your mathematics paper 1 mathematics you have sure studied about conics. So in a 2-dimensional system, your coordinate system is made up of 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the origin. Getting? And you know that in this your x will increase and y will increase. Here x decrease, y increase. Here y also decrease, x decrease. That way. So Turtle Graphics uses this real world coordinate. Okay, it takes this window center as the origin. So your turtle is at origin 0, 0 and moving its and facing, means its mouth is facing towards east direction. This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. So east facing at the origin. Okay, that is its default position. Right? And this screen also which we have created, it is singleton. Singleton means multiple objects don't get created. Like if you try to create one more screen, it will keep returning the old one only. It's a singleton object. Singleton object concept is in C++ also, but now just remember, multiple objects are not created of that class. Means it will allow you to create only one object at a time. Okay, so a singleton object is created, and inside that this turtle is created. Okay, so basic idea you got now. Let's quickly discuss about it. Okay, so now next step is creating the main screen, that is your white paper on which the turtle is going to move and create. Okay, so we'll create a screen object. Screen is a class, create an object of this class which is present in this turtle module. Collect the reference in S. So returns a singleton screen object, right? When you run this, you'll see an output sort of this, which I showed you just now. Okay. Now after this, next thing is to create that turtle. So to create a turtle, there is a turtle class in that turtle module, the turtle.turtle. Turtle object is created. Okay. Now once you create this turtle, you'll see at the center the turtle is there at origin 0, 0, and it is facing east side. Okay. See, returns turtle object, and when you run it, you'll see this output in this form. And by default, where the turtle is facing towards the east direction, it is a default facing. Okay. If you want, you can set the title of the window by title method. So this screen object title method s.title. Ultimately, they are depending on your tkinter module only. See, that is the reason here the feather sign is coming. Can you see this icon? And the same symbol come for your tkinter module also. Means in tkinter also, when we created window, so every time this feather symbol used to come, isn't it? Means your turtle graphics also ultimately for generating this window and handling the event, it will depend on tkinter. So s.title and give the title. Okay. So once you set the title, you can see this title is seen to the screen. Okay. So I hope you got it. So till here, if it is clear to you guys, and if you are trying also simultaneously, so well and good. Have you tried? Any one of you has tried it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So at least basic window is coming. Right, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the next thing. Others also please try. Now next is telling the turtle to move ahead or go back. In short, forward hai, so there is backward concept. Okay. So there is a method called forward, and you can use its alternative name FD also. FD also works and word forward also work. When both function do the same work, they have just given an alternative name. So forward or FD. So this is the method of your turtle object. Method of your turtle class. It's a method. Forward is a method of turtle class. So who will invoke this method? Object of turtle, which we created. T equal to turtle.turtle. So T dot forward you have to say, and in bracket give a number which indicates the number of pixels in which it has to move forward. Getting? Same way backward is also there. So that much pixel it will move backward. But again in the same direction, the direction in which it is facing. Means in which direction its face is. Okay? In that direction only it will move forward or backward by the given pixels. Correct? See, use the turtle objects forward bracket n method. So forward you can write, or FD also is valid. FD. Now generally people, those who don't want to show the code but they just want to produce pattern, so they will not write this whole word forward, they will use FD only. Okay? So use the turtle objects, this forward method. N is the number of pixels. Okay? So method to move the turtle forward by n pixels. Right? Okay? So as it moves in the same direction in which it is facing, as its face is in which direction. Okay? Suppose now initially it is east direction at 0, 0, and we say forward. So in the same direction it will go that much pixel ahead, and as it goes ahead, the pen produces a mark. So you will see that line is drawn. Getting? See. So T dot forward 100 if I write. Okay? So it will move 100 pixels ahead in the direction in which it is facing. See. So initially you will get the output like this. So your turtle was at the center initially, right? At the center, and it was facing east direction. So in that same direction only 100 pixels it has gone ahead. But when it goes 100 pixel ahead, the pen is producing mark and you see output as this line. Get it? Okay, so if you want to go backward, then backward. So BD is there. Shortcut what you can use, BD. So use the turtle objects backward bracket n method to move the turtle backward n pixel. Okay, so again backward in the same direction in which the face is. Okay, like in real life also we walk 10 steps back. In some games also we were told we go back 10 steps. So as I go back 10 steps, okay, so facing is that side only. Only the marks will be produced in the backward direction. So T dot backward 100. Okay. Now output I have not shown for backward, but if you want, we can see. Okay. So in this program only what I'll do is, I'll write now T dot C. You can use FD also or forward also. Doesn't matter. And 100 I'm writing. Okay. And now if you run it, can you see? Initially turtle was here, 100 pixels ahead it has gone. In the same direction the face was. Okay? And suppose instead of forward, if you write backward, T dot and not BD, it is BK. I told you BD, BK or backward 100 suppose. But this one I am going to put in comment for time being. This one I am using. Okay? See. So initially it was here facing that side. In the same direction the face is kept, just it has moved backward 100 pixels. And this is in terms of pixels. This distance which we have given, it is in pixel. Pixel means picture element, the smallest dot using which the entire picture is built. So the entire picture is built using dots. So that individual dot is called as a pixel. Pixel means picture element. Okay? And in one screen, how many pixels are fitted, that depends on the resolution. Okay? Now the next thing we'll discuss. So till here, I hope it is clear to you. Next is changing the direction of the face. Okay? Direction of the face. Now when you are changing the direction of the face, nothing is produced. Right? Pattern is produced only when the turtle moves ahead or goes back. Now it is just going to change its direction. Getting? So suppose this turtle is now facing east direction, and now I am telling it to rotate itself by 90 degree right, and if I say 90 degree left, so now as its face is this side, so its left hand this side and right hand is this side. Getting? You understand? You can imagine yourself and you are facing towards east side. So where is your right hand and where is your left hand? Now I am saying to the turtle, rotate yourself right 90 degree. Getting? So right 90 degree means it will move its face 90 degree like this. So when it moves its face 90 degree, now your turtle face will look this way. You understanding? 90 degree right. And if I say move 90 degree left, okay, 90 degree left. So after that the turtle face will look like this. This pointing. You understanding? Now this is 90 degree. Now you can change the angles, different angle. Okay? Angles can be different. Now this is 90 degree, therefore exactly like this it will look. If you give 110, okay, so little bit tilted this side. You give 120, getting? So 120 means this little bit more. So it depends on how much angle you give. Okay? And now suppose after telling the turtle to move right 90 degree or left 90 degree. So right 90 degree means now the face will be like this. And now I say forward 100. So in that direction only it will go 100 forward. Getting? I'm saying left 90 degree. So now the face will be this side. And I say forward 100. So in that direction only forward 100. Getting? So forward and backward is always in which direction? The direction in which it faces. Which side it is facing, in that angle it will move ahead or come back. Okay. Now for that, moving the turtle face, there are methods given. So the turtle's initial heading is 0 degrees east, which I've been telling you from the previous slide also. Initially the turtle is at the center and it is pointing towards east direction, 0 degree east direction. Okay. Now you can use this right. Now there is a shortcut for right also, RT they have given. Okay. So you can use that function also. To use turtle objects right and bracket angle. That angle is always considered in degrees, not in radians. Because normally we have habit in Java or in C or something. If you want to calculate sine and cos, so we give the angle in radians. Radians means multiply it by pi by 180. So nothing like that. Directly give in degrees. Okay? So use the turtle objects right and bracket angle. This is also method of the turtle object only. T dot right and angle. Okay. So right and bracket angle method to turn the turtle right by the given degree. Okay. And use the turtle objects left and angle. And I hope you are assuming the left side and the right side. Suppose for example, your turtle is currently facing like this. This is its face. And now I say move, okay, left 20 degree. So according to the position where it is now, this position it's facing this side, you're assuming, no? And now I say move left 20 degree, so this side it will come. And I'm saying move right, I cannot say move means changing the position. I'm saying rotate 20 degree left, 45 degree right. So so this is the right hand side of that turtle. This is the left hand side. Imagine you are there and your face is this side. So this is your right side, this is left side. So I'm saying right 45. So right 45. So the turtle will look like this now. Okay? Facing this side. 45 degree right. 45 degree left also can be there. So hope you are imagining it, how it is. So depending on currently which side the turtle faces, based on that the left and the right is considered. So if it is facing this side, so right is this side, left is this side. Okay? Suppose your turtle is currently facing this side. So this is its right side and that is left side. So I am telling rotate 90 degree. Getting? Rotate 90 degree. So turtle will look now this side. Right. I am saying rotate 90 degree left. So after moving 90 degree left, the turtle face will look like this. So it depends on which direction currently it is. Okay? As an example, suppose T dot forward 100. So initially where was your turtle? At the center. Facing east side 0 degree. Right, na? Here. Okay? So initially the turtle is here, facing east side 0 degree. Now I have written forward 100. So it will come 100 units ahead. Okay? But after coming ahead also the face is 0 degree east only. Right? Then I am saying left 90 degree. So left 90 degree means it will move its face by 90 degree. Left side. So now the face is this side. Okay? And I am saying forward 100. So forward 100 means again it will go 100 forward in that direction. Okay? See. Is the output like this? So initially it was here. Forward 100 it has come here. But after coming here the face is east side 0 degree. You understanding, no? And now I am telling rotate yourself 90 degree left. So 90 degree left means now the face becomes this side. And now I am saying again go forward 100. Here it has come. Okay? Or suppose I am telling this way, forward 100. Okay? Forward 100 means it will come 100 position here. Then I am saying right 45 degree. Now right direction is, see this side is the face. So this is the left side and this is right hand. So I am saying right by how much degree? 45. 45 is this much only, no? 45. Because this complete is 90. So now it will make its face 45 degree right. So face is this side. And telling go ahead 100. So in that direction 100 pixels it will come ahead. Getting? So you'll get output something like this. So initially the face was east 0 degree and initially it was here. 100 unit ahead. Then right direction 45. So face is turned 45 degree in the right. And now the face is this side. So in that direction only go ahead 45. Sorry, 100. Getting? So this way, as you tell the turtle to move, it is going to generate pattern. Okay? So in this example only, I'll just show you. Or I'll create some other example. Two I'll take. Okay? Things the same. Now suppose I write t dot forward 100, then t dot left. See, for left also they have given shortcut. Angles, like for right there is RT and for left it is LT. So those names also you can use. It works the same way. So left 90 degree and again telling t dot forward 100. Okay? And now we'll run this. Getting? See, first it has come forward 100, then it has moved left direction 90 degree and again forward 100. Okay? So hope the concept of forward is clear to you. Forward means right and left is clear to you. Is it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Others
sir.
also. Okay. T. Now just an example I'm showing here. Okay. So suppose I want to draw this square. Okay. You can start with this and come back here, or this way and come back here. Okay. So I want to produce this square, exact square. Okay. So import, I'll create screen, then I'll create turtle, and in a loop 4 times send it. 4 times what I'm telling, forward and then move right direction 90. Again I'm saying forward and move right direction 90, because that time its face is this side, no? You understanding? See, now this, suppose this is, okay, see, this side here it is, and we are saying forward 100 and move your face 90 degree right. So it will move 90 degree right. So will it make its face this direction? Now again saying forward 100, okay, and move your face 90 degree right. But now 90 degree right is this direction, because its face is this side, no? So its right side is this and left side is this. Yes or no? Just imagine. This will be the left side and this will be the right side, because the face is this side. So I am telling move 90 degree right. So will it make its face this side now? Again I am saying go forward 100, okay, and change your face direction 90 degree right. So what will be the right side now? Face is this side, isn't it? So this will be the left direction and that is right according to this side face. If the face is this side, so that is right side and this is left side. So we are telling change your face 90 degree right. So will it make face this side now? Getting? And after that again I am telling go forward 100, okay, and change your face 90 degree right. So forward 100 means it will come here and change the face 90 degree right. So face is this side. So which is the right direction? This is the right direction. This is the left direction. Is it? So 90 degree right when I am telling, will it make its face again this direction? That is 0 degree to east. And this way that is completed. So what I have done is in a for loop, I am writing forward 100, right 90. And this pair will go how many times? Forward 100, right 90, forward 100, right 90 will go 4 times. So when this pair is executed 4 times, it will complete a square. Getting clear? You can see the output also. Okay? See, suppose we produce this output over here. We take another example. Okay, I'll just put a for loop for I in range 4. When we say range 4 means it's going to work for 4 times, isn't it, all of you? 4 times. 4 is exclusive, no? 0, 1, 2, 3 means 4 times. Okay, and then t dot forward 100 and t dot right 90. Check this. Okay, can you see? You can change the speed of the turtle. You can make the turtle slow, and if you make the turtle slow, you can see the effect of this getting drawn, how it is getting drawn. Now you'll say how to change the speed. We will come to it. One slide is there separately for that, that is reducing or increasing the speed of the turtle. So if you reduce its speed, so we can see the slowly the turtle is going, then changing its face this direction. Getting? Here it was little fast, right? No? Can you see? It went here, here, here and here. Okay? Is that concept clear to you? Same way, try to draw this star. Let's see. Okay? Any fixed angle you can take. Let's see here the turtle is 0 degree east. Now you're telling some units, like whatever, 150 unit, 200 unit. So 200 unit it goes ahead. Okay, this side 200 units. Okay, suppose it has gone 200 units ahead. From there I'm telling angle 144, suppose a sample angle I have taken 144, I'm telling right. So initially it was here, I said go ahead 200 and now change your face right 144 degree. So face is this side. Now right direction is this, na? If the face is this side, so this is the left hand and this is right hand. So from here how many degree? 144. 144 means it will be, this complete is 90 and more 34 I guess, no? No, more 54, sorry. Right? So 54 means now the face will be in this direction somewhere. Like this. Yeah, this direction. You understanding? Okay, this face only, will the face come this direction? because this much angle is 90 and 90 plus 54 will become 144. So 144 degree right it has moved. So face has become this side. Now I am saying again go 200 units ahead. So 200 unit ahead, in that direction only it will go. No? Is this angle making 144? Yes. Okay. So in that direction 200 I have told. But the face is this side. Face is this side. And now in this direction only again I am telling right 144. Getting? So this will be the baseline that time. Will this be the baseline? So 90 degree, that is the right hand and this is the left hand. So 90 degree plus 54. So is the face now going to be this direction? After moving 144, this complete is 90 plus 54. Okay? So is the face now this direction? Again I am saying go 200. So it will go here. Now the face is this direction. And again I am saying right. Now this will be left direction and this is left hand and this is right hand. From here, how much I am telling? 144. So this is 90 and 90 plus 54, this thing. So will the face be this side now? This side. Getting? And from there 200 again. Clear? Now the face is this side. And from here I am saying again right how much? 144. So this will be complete 90 and 54 plus. So face will look now this direction. And from there 200, so it will complete here. You understanding? Okay? So what will be the loop you will write to complete this star? Very simple loop. Always remember the angle is considered with reference to which direction currently it is facing. You understanding? No? So if the turtle face is this way now, this direction, so this is the baseline considered. And when we say 90 degree right, so with reference to this 90 degree, 90 degree. Which direction the face is? Based on that, the angle rotation is considered. Okay? Turtle 4 suppose I give. Right? Now let's see, you people will only tell me what loop you'll write and in how many iterations it will complete. 1,
5 iterations.
2,
Five.
3, 4 and 5. Right? 5 iterations. So for I in range 5 I am writing. Okay? Now only 2 lines you have to tell me what the 2 lines I'll write.
T dot forward 100, T dot right 144.
T dot forward 100 and T dot right 144. Okay? That is just an calculated angle. Okay? You can manipulate and see with some other angle how it changes. Okay?
It does not come to the same point again, sir, if we change the angle.
So mathematically, if you find out to get a same triangle, same star, the angle is properly calculated as 144 only. Okay? If you change it, it will not be a perfect star. Okay? Now I took 100. You can try something more. This if you try more. And can you see how when we say left or right, so how it changes its face by that much degree in that direction, correct? And as Aniket was saying, if the angle, if you change, it won't be. So that calculation only, that perfect calculation is 144. It won't make that. So some iterations you have to increase them. It will look different star. Means the star which we want, for that it's not perfect. You have to increase one more iteration, I guess. still one more, then I guess it will, or it will produce a different pattern if the angle is changed. Okay. Okay, so you got it. So the perfect angle is 144. Okay, see. So we created screen, then the turtle object, then the for loop, and move forward and right 140. The same thing with left also will do, I guess, but the angle should be same. Only the order of drawing will change. If I take LT, the sequence has changed. We started from here. So upside, instead of that, this downside you'll see. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Now these are all trial errors, you have to do it. If you refer to 4th or 5th standard school IT tools, there is a paper for our state board also. State board schools books, if you see, so in that they have a logo programming book. In that, so beautiful patterns they have given, and those patterns, these kids of 4th and 5th standard, they draw it using this commands. But for that they use a separate software that is called as Microsoft Logo. So that software, when you run that software, the same look you get, a canvas come and the turtle and one command window come where you can type the command, and the moment you type the command you can see the turtle is moving. So actually this module which Python has provided, they have just inspired from that, and that package just they have provided along with Python to make your Python work easy. Okay. Okay, then you can even change the angle of your turtle, but this angle is not considered with respect to where it is facing now. It will consider with respect to your coordinate system, that is origin, with respect to that, not with respect to which side currently it is facing. You understanding? Okay, so if I say that keep move 90 degree, so it will move 90 degree but with respect to origin. Okay, then I say move 120, then also with respect to origin, not with the direction in which currently it is facing. So for that also there is a function provided called set heading. So use the turtle objects set heading and angle method to set the turtle's heading to a specific angle. But this is considered with respect to origin, as I said, not with respect to which direction currently it is heading. Okay? See, forward 50, then I have written set heading 90. Okay, so when I say set heading 90, initially it is here at the center. Okay, now I have said that ki forward 50. Okay, then set heading 90. So 90 with respect to origin, anti-clockwise it goes, anti-clockwise. It is nowhere considered on the left hand or right hand. That functions work with respect to which side the hand is, left hand or right hand, and with respect to that rotate left or rotate right. So not like that. Here it is always with respect to base. Okay, that is your origin. So set heading 90 when I say, okay, so it's going to move 90 degree anti-clockwise. Now the face is this direction. Okay, and again I am saying forward 100. It will go 100. Okay, and now I am saying set heading 180. So again 180, which direction the face is doesn't matter with respect to origin. So with respect to origin 180, this is the origin. Okay, with respect to that 180, now the face will be this side. Correct? And again I am saying forward, here it is 50, 100, 50, 100, like that it is, whatever it is. Okay, so it will forward that much pixels, whatever. And after that we are saying 270 degree. So 270 degree means with respect to again origin. So this is 90, this is 180, and this is 270. So now this side, and then again I am saying forward 100. So it will come. Getting? So please understand, this set heading is not considered with respect to left hand or right hand, or in which direction the face of the turtle is. It is just going to consider with respect to origin anti-clockwise. Okay? So output will be similar sort of thing. Okay? See. T dot forward, suppose 100 or 50. Exact square you want, then give all forward same. If you want like a rectangle, okay, so accordingly you give. Okay? Then T dot set heading, first is 90 degree, T dot forward 50, T dot set heading 180, T dot forward again 100, and T dot set heading 270, and T dot forward again 50, suppose I'm taking. Okay, see. Now I gave 100, 50, 100, 50. Right? Hope it is clear to you. Can observe how it got. So it went ahead, then 90 degree anti-clockwise, then again forward 50, then 180 degree, 180 degree. So this side again 100, then 270 degree, so this side, and forward 50. So in this case, set heading, it doesn't matter left hand or right hand. It is just a anti-clockwise from origin. Origin 0, and then anti-clockwise it considers angle. Okay? So this way provision, this way also provision is given. Okay? See, you'll get the output like this. It has gone 50, 90 degree, again 100, 180 degree, again 50 forward, 270 degree, and again forward 100. Okay? Okay, so hope till here the concept is clear. Then you can make the pen lift up, and after some time you can say now lift down. In short, we are telling the turtle to lift its tail, because to the tail pen is attached. Imagine in that way. So the pen is attached to the turtle's tail, and we are commanding the turtle. So we are telling the turtle, please lift your tail up. So when the tail is lifted up, the pen is not touching the paper, and as pen is not touching paper, it is not producing mark. Then after some time we are again telling the turtle, keep your tail down, means lift it down. So when the tail is lifted down, means it's kept down, now it will rub the paper, and if it is rubbing the paper, pen is producing mark. So for that also, turtle object is having two methods, pen up and pen down. Okay? See. So when the turtle's pen is down, the turtle draws a line as it moves. Why? Because when the pen is down, it is rubbing the paper, and as it is rubbing the paper, it's producing mark, and by default pen is down. And if you want, you can make the turtle lift its pen up. So when the turtle's pen is up, the turtle does not draw as it moves. So as turtle is moving, turtle is going ahead, forward, backward, but as the pen is up, it is not rubbing the paper, it's not producing any output. Getting? Now for that, which method is there. So see, use the turtle objects pen up method to raise the pen. Getting? And if you want to make the pen down again, use pen down. To use the turtle object pen down method to down the pen. Okay? Quickly, I'll just tell you one example. Okay? Like suppose I'm telling for I in range 10 times, suppose. Okay? Then I'm writing t dot forward 50, t dot pen, okay, up, then t dot forward 50 and t dot pen down. Okay, so here what will happen? It will go forward 50, but initially pen was anyway down only. Right now, initially pen is down. Loop start. So it will go forward 50. Then pen is up now. And again forward 50, but when it goes forward 50, during that time pen was up. So nothing is, mark is not produced. Right? Okay? Pen was up and forward. Now again I'm telling pen down. Now pen is down actually. And the loop is continuing. Will it come up again? And again this 4 lines. Forward 50, pen up, and again forward 50. But during that time pen was up. Again pen down. Okay? So this way alternate dash lines you can see. Can you see? Okay. Number of pixels, if you want to reduce it, you can. Iterations I'll reduce, 5 I'll do. Can you see? So actually it is moving continuously forward only. But for this much duration, pen was up. Again pen was down. Pen was up. Pen was down. Clear? So when it was up, so during that time the tail is not touching the paper. So nothing is getting drawn. But the turtle is moving ahead. Turtle is moving ahead. 50, 50, 50, it's moving ahead. Okay? See, just an example I've given. Forward 50, then pen up, forward 25, again pen down, forward 50. But when we are saying forward 50, so that time pen was down, so mark is seen. Now again pen up and forward 25. But during forward 25, pen is up, so nothing is drawn. Getting? Again pen down, forward 50. This will go on. Okay? So I hope you got it. So is the concept of pen up, pen down clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure? Okay, very good. Some more concepts we have to see now. Now next is drawing circle. You can make the turtle to move in a circular path. And then again when it's moving in a circular path, it will again produce mark. So you'll see a circle getting produced. Okay? So there is a method called circle of your turtle object. So turtle object circle method and give the radius. So it will draw a circle of that much radius. See. So use the turtle object circle bracket radius method to draw a circle with the specified radius. Okay? T dot circle 100. So it's going to draw a circle of 100 radius. ठीक है, see this way. Okay, it will draw a circle with 100 radius, but again the face is 0 degree east. Now if I tell 10 degree when I rotate yourself 10 degree left, so now 10 degree tilt, you understanding, no? It will change its face. Now first the circle is complete, that circle is drawn, okay, assume it is circle, huh? But the face is this side, right, 0 degree east. Now I tell the turtle to move 10 degree in a left direction, okay. So will it tilt its face left by 10 degree? Now the face will be like this. And now I am saying again draw a circle of 100. So with respect to that it will draw a circle of 100. And now the face will be in that 10 degree only. Again I am saying 10 degree, rotate yourself 10 degree left. So 10 degree left means again with respect to that draw a circle of 100. This will go on. So again here the which direction the face is, that matters. You understanding? Okay? So that is very important. Just a simple example we'll take. See. Now I'm just drawing one circle, T dot circle. Okay? And 100 I'm giving. Can you see? Okay, but after drawing one circle of 100 radius, the face is 0 degree, which direction? East. And now if I tell to tilt, move right or move left by some degree, so suppose I say by 45 degree, suppose, so will the face be at 45 degree? And now I say draw a circle, so with respect to the direction in which the face is, okay, so with that respective it will draw a circle of whatever radius it is. Getting? See, in this only I'll tell you T dot left 45, and then okay, first you just see after 45 how the face is. Okay, see, is it at 45 degree? This is complete this side. If the face comes, so it is 90 degree left, so between that two it is 45, right? And suppose after that again I say draw circle of 100. See, one circle, then face is it drawing again another circle of 100, but that circle of 100 is depending on the face in which the turtle is. Okay, which direction the turtle faces. Got it, no? Clear? So suppose if in the same code I am putting a loop like this. Okay, for I in range, suppose I am taking 36. Okay, 36 iterations, and every time I am telling the turtle to move by 10 degree left. One circle complete, then in whichever direction its face is, okay, in which direction its face is, from there change your face 10 degree left and again draw one circle. Again move 10 degree left, again draw a circle. Okay. See, one circle drawn, 10 degree tilted. Again one more circle drawn, 10 degree tilted. Okay. Now Why 36? Because 360 and 10 degree, no? So 36 only it will be, I guess. Right? Every time after completing its one turn, it is changing its face 10 degree left, but in which direction, which side it was facing, where it is facing, in that direction only 10 degree left. It is little bit imagination, you should imagine yourself. Okay, you'll see a beautiful pattern is generated when all 36 circles are completed, right? You can imagine like a bunch of bangles and you're just spreading it in round way, just circular spread of that bangles you have done. See, now if this all 36 are completed, stop. Clear? Can you see? It looks some if you are viewing it long time, it looks like a 3D also, no? A circular ball is there somewhat, and then at the center also there is a beautiful pattern created. So this way you can create many more other patterns, and with colors also, by changing color it will look more beautiful. Okay, so hope you got it. Is it right, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can only draw dots as well. It is like imagine like that. At a fixed distance, the turtle is laying eggs. Laying egg means you got it, no? So the turtle is going ahead, laying one egg. Again goes ahead, laying one egg. So wherever it is laying one egg, there you can see as if a dot is produced. Okay, see. So you can make the turtle to draw a dot. Okay, and that dot size you can decide. So turtle is here, we are saying go ahead 50 and lay one egg over there. Again go ahead 50, lay one egg over there. Getting? So at a fixed distance it is laying one egg. So that egg is seen as if like a dot. Okay, and in this also you can tell that pen up and pen down. So while laying egg and going ahead, laying egg, going ahead, meantime we are telling make the pen up. So this middle part which is seen connected, you won't see. Okay, that is also possible. So use the turtle objects dot method. Dot is a method of turtle object to draw a simple dot at the turtle's current location. But imagining the real turtle, and we are commanding the turtle. So as I said, or imagine to the tail pen is attached. So in that point of view I am saying, make the turtle lay a egg at a fixed distance. Okay? See, here if I have written t dot dot forward 50, t dot dot forward 50, t dot dot forward 50. So the output will be something like that. First dot, then go forward, again dot, go forward, again dot, go forward. Right? I hope you got it. See, just one simple example here I put. Suppose in a simple loop I am putting for I in range 10 suppose, and I am saying t dot dot and then t dot forward 25. Okay? Can you see at every 25, first it will lay a egg, go forward 25, again lay a egg, forward 25. So that way the dots are produced. Okay? So in this also, if I tell you to create a pattern in this way, Okay, n by n grid is to be created. Can you create a grid of n by n size? N inside you can make n as constant. Initialize. Suppose n you have made 8, so 8 by 8 grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, say 8. Again, next line 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. This way it should go on. ठीक है? Okay, all of you. You can, okay. So you can try this pattern, and in between the pen should be up only. So only the dot should come exactly at fixed interval. So you decide how you will bring it back and again down. Okay, means n by n is there, so n 8 है. So in that line 8 eggs it will produce. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Then come back again, come down, and again 8 legs. Come back down 8 legs. ठीक है? So how to bring it back and again down? Check it. ठीक है? So we'll solve this. Don't worry. We will do this. Meantime, quickly to wind up with today's session, I'll just tell you about how to set pen size and drawing color. You can set the color also and pen size. And concept of color we know in case of TK Inter. I hope you know it, no? Clear? So the same color management, either RGB combination you can give or local color names in a string form. And size is also in terms of pixels. Okay? So you can set the pen size. In short, now again imagine in that point, to the tail a pen is attached. So the nip of that pen, getting? In school days and all also, we used to select it, 0.5 pencil, 0.75 pencil, or the ball pens we used to consider to the nozzle of it, of how much size it should be. So accordingly here also the pen size you can select. So use the turtle object's pen size method. So this method is of turtle object, and give the width. Getting? To change the width of your turtle's pen. And drawing color, for that there is a pen color method, and give the color. And you know now, color you can give as a hexadecimal value, or you can give local color name. Okay? Example, just quickly I'll tell you. Here also you can take. See, pen size set is 5, pen color set is red, and then you are drawing a circle with 100. Okay? This circle drawing example which I took, in that only one small change I'll put. I'll create a new script. Total 9. Okay? And once the chapter is over, means all the concepts I'll teach you, then I'll give you some sample patterns for drawing. And let's see all the knowledge whether you are going to use it properly and draw those patterns. Okay? So in this pattern, here what I'll do is t dot pen size, I'll give 5, and t dot pen color, suppose I'm giving red. Okay? Now here the angle little bit will increase, will make it by 20. So if I do it 20, it will come out to be as 18 iterations only, right? And we'll run this turtle 9. Can you see? 5 pixel thickness it is. So the thickness of that pen is 5 pixel, and the color is red. So it's drawing by red color. Okay? Now if I close this window in between, it will throw an exception, interrupted exception, an interrupted error, because the loop is still going on and you have forcibly stopped the loop. Okay? Now 20 circles complete, it will stop. 20 nahi, 18. Previously it was 36, now it is 18. Okay? right? So hope the concept is clear. Now in this case only one circle with this color and this size.